Alright guys, I'm just going to show y'all real quick how to install wipers. I have a 2019 Freightliner Cascadia, and I'm going to put these wipers on real quick. This is the new one right here. Very quick and very easy, y'all. First of all, just make sure you got the right size wiper. Make sure they're the same length. Which these are the same length. So, all right. This is so easy that I can do it in one hand. I hope that little sun is not bothering y'all. All right. See how it is right there in there? See this little button right here? You just push in on that. Push in on it. And it slide right out. See that? I told you I could do it with one hand. Just that easy. You push in on it, and it slides down. Okay? Here's the new one. To install the new one, see this round, the new one's got the same, made the same way. Just turn it for a second. I think I'm gonna need both of my hands for this, but no, I'm not. I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. Put it in. Easy way to do it. Just slide that right through there like that. Then pull it up till it snap. See that? Push it down on it. Not going nowhere. Snap into place. And that's it, y'all. Less than a minute with one hand. All right, we're gonna do the other side. All right, y'all. It's round two. This is the driver's side. Remember I told you on the other side? Well, since it's facing me, now since it's backwards, you know, it's facing me, we're gonna push in on it. Push in on it, slide right out. Very easy, man. That was like 5 seconds. All right, I got the new one here. Make sure it's the same size. Is same length. Okay, we'll do this the same way. See that? Just make sure right there, the round part. You just easy way to do it. Just slide that right in there, just like that. Pull it down. Push until it snap. I didn't hear it snap. There you go. Snap down. So I'm pulling on it, so it's there. That's it, man. And they are installed. 2 wipers, less than 5 minutes. And this is 2019 Freightliner Evolution, or whatever you want to call it. The new body, the new front end, you know, which I'm pretty sure the older model Cascadia is the same way, but. And ladies, you can do this without breaking a nail. So don't even worry about it, you know, if you think you're gonna break a nail, okay? You look at them go. Sound nice and smooth going across that, don't they?